Okay, so quickly, ER exchange breakout system. It's been a while I recorded any video, but let's just do a quick one now. So we had a couple of opportunities here, a couple of trades on the ER exchange breakout system. So we had the GBP AUD and GBP CHF. So the chart open now is GBP CHF, and we can see we took a sell at this point here, and we have closed a portion of that trade, GBP CHF. So we have closed about 20 pips. After 20 pips we have closed the trade, and then the second part of that trade is still open and will remain open. We will just keep trailing the stop loss and see where price takes us for that situation. And then GBP AUD, so something similar as well. So we have closed a portion of that trade in profit. Again, that was about 20 pips or something like that. Yeah, it was about 20 pips, and the second portion of that trade is still on, and we will just keep trailing the stops. So right now the stop is now at the high of this this candle here. If this continues to go down, then that stop loss will keep moving. We have one more opportunity that we are looking at today, and that's GBP CAD. GBP CAD, it's not been triggered yet, so when that triggers we will also follow through on that. I think GBP NZD, yeah, GBP NZD, we actually missed the entry on this one, but for the sell, but the buy is still open, which most likely will not be a trade for today. So we've missed the sell side, and we're going to follow the upside later. Okay, all right, so that is it on the ER exchange breakout system. Very quick video, but that takes us on to the next topic. All right, until next time, you take care. Cheers.